name is Vidit Narayan, and I've built this project which is a smart vacuum cleaner. This smart vacuum cleaner works on the technology of microprocessors and microcontrollers. Microcontrollers are nothing but they are basically the silicon chips which are work seamlessly with phosphorus doping. So with these silicon chips and computer science, we're able to make these kinds of robots and machines and any electronic device you used, being it your smartphone or any television or any electronic equipment. So let me demonstrate you how this project works. I'll turn it on. As you can see, the brain turns on and the Bluetooth is blinking. So it is right in the pairing mode. So I'll connect this device with my smartphone, and I've created an app to control this robot. So I'll just connect this application. This is my application. Then we'll go to connect device, and there's the device showing right over here. I'll just connect it, and it connects seamlessly. Now, if I press the forward button, it will move according to the controls. So let me show you. So as you can see, and you can turn on the vacuum on and off according to your needs. So this will create suction. So this is the manual mode, wherein you can control it with your smartphone. So I'll disconnect it. There's one more mode, which is the auto mode. In auto mode, there is a sensor which senses an object. If an obstacle comes in front of it, it will change its path. So you don't have to do anything, just press this button and start. So whenever any obstacle comes in front of it, it will change its path. So we start it off. So guys, this was the project.
Start. Say present.
What to start this? Vidit Narayan, studying in 11th year. I appreciate you for your hard work and effort and perseverance. You have done well, and it is your effort that made you today to put up this project before all your colleagues. So I appreciate you. Once again, I congratulate you on behalf of all the staff and the students over here.
Thank you.